Today we're making cinnamon streusel coffee cake. This is like a New York crumb cake. You're gonna love it. We start with flour, brown sugar, a little salt, and plenty of cinnamon. Mix it up and then create a well in which you pour 2 sticks of melted butter. This is the crumb topping. I also add toasted pecans for crunch. Add flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt to a bowl, and then whisk an egg with some milk, vanilla, and vegetable or canola oil. This is the cake batter. It's really thick. Just mix it up and then put it into a prepared pan. I like to line the pan with parchment paper. It comes out easier. Pile the crumb topping on the cake batter and finish with a little sea salt. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes and it's done. Take the cake out of the pan after it's cooled for about 10 minutes, and then you can slice it into as big or small squares as you like. This is a great brunch cake. It's perfect for holidays. You can make it a day ahead, and it freezes well too. Enjoy.